5 business ideas will blow your mind, and the best part is you can make up to $500 to $1,000 per month and even more with these business ideas. And number 4 is the gold mine. And you can start this business with zero capital and also get to enjoy the luxury of working from the comfort of your home. There is no location barrier, no specific gender requirements, no specific age bracket, and also all you need is your phone, a good internet connection, your PCs, time, consistency, and be skilled. Alright, so with that being said, let's jump right in. Affiliate marketing is arguably one of the easiest ways you can make money in the online space, and you can earn up to $100 to $500 per month and even more depending on how many sales you are able to make for that month. So it all depends on the amount of sales you make. Now listen, affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's products and services, and for every time you sell their products you get a reward called a commission. So that commission is a percentage of money given to you for selling that product.
Oh my god! Wow!
Among many others, you can start your affiliate journey from the Expatriate platform, Capcut, Amazon affiliate program, Fiverr affiliate program, etc. Now this is the part where you give me your 100% attention. Learn how to go from $0 to $1,000 without leaving your comfort zone as a beginner in affiliate marketing. Discover this never revealed secret on how to grow your affiliate commission by 200%. The Affiliate Marketing Uncensored is a course by Adegoke Adeyeye. Don't know if I pronounced it well, but it's a must-have for every affiliate beginner that wants to do affiliate marketing. It's a must-have. In this course, you learn how affiliate marketing works, how to start affiliate marketing the right way, top affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid, insider secrets to building a 7-figure affiliate business, top affiliate marketing programs with high commission. All of this value you getting and even more for a fee of $50. And if you want to purchase this course, the link will be in my description. So kindly check out the description of this video to get access to buying this course. As a beginner in affiliate marketing that wants to upscale their business, this course is a must-have, guys. It's a must-have. And even if you don't have the money in purchasing this course, that's also fine. There are a lot of videos on the YouTube platform that you can take advantage of as a beginner that wants to start affiliate marketing. Do you know you can make up to $100 to $500 per month by becoming a freelance writer? There are a lot of companies and content creators that are in search of writers, and that's where you come in as a freelance writer. Writing is broad and there are a lot of areas you can focus on as a freelance writer. We have script writing, we have ghost writing, we have copywriting, academic writing, grant writing, and many others. And I'll tell you for free that writing is by far one of the most lucrative business that offers opportunities for numerous growth and specialization. By marketing your services effectively, pitching yourselves to individuals and brands, and consistently delivering high quality works, you can be able to establish a successful freelance writing career for yourself. This next business can make you a decent amount of money. As a video editor, you can earn up to $30 to $100 and even more per month. And even if you have zero to no knowledge on editing, that's completely fine. There are a lot of free courses you can leverage on online that talks about how to edit videos, and there are a lot of free videos on YouTube that you can take advantage of that teach how to edit videos. There are a lot of channels that talk about how to edit videos with Capcut and other apps. Channels like Favor Matthew and many other YouTubers, they basically teach you how to edit your videos with Capcut and different apps, so you can take advantage of these videos. And if you already know how to edit videos and you are not yet monetizing your skill, you are sleeping, you are playing, you better wake up and start monetizing your skill. There are a lot of creators searching for video editor, and this is where you come in as a video editor. You need to reach out to these people. know how to pitch yourself to brand. Okay, if you can't market yourself, there are a lot of videos you can take advantage on the YouTube platform. YouTube is a school, guys. But if you are still sleeping on YouTube, you better wake up. There are a lot of things you can learn on YouTube that you don't know. There are a lot of things. I personally have learned so much on this platform. So learn how to pitch yourself. Look for videos that talk about pitching yourself, selling yourself, marketing yourself. Pitch yourselves to brand and individual. Talk to them about what you do. Okay, if you want to make it as a video editor, you really need to put in the work, brand yourself, and reach out to these people. Okay, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. I'm sure you've heard of that term. All right, so that's it basically. Remember I told you guys number 4 is the gold mine, and number 4 is the gold mine. Are you ready for this one? Drum rolls. All right, guys, so let's dive in. Now listen, dropshipping is one of the best business you can start online with absolute no capital and still get up to like $100 to $1,000 per month and even more. Even in years to come, this business will still be a lucrative one, because as long as we keep buying stuff every day, we will still keep on making that money. That money will still keep on rolling into your bank account. In dropshipping, you don't have to rent a space or worry about suppliers, importing or exporting. No, you don't need all of that. You don't even have to stock up. Everything you need is online. All you basically have to do is to get started. And the first step to starting this business is to find a good product to sell. And one of the ways you can achieve this is by conducting a market research to find a profitable product with less competitions. Now, the next step is to find a reliable supplier. You want to ensure that you use a reliable platform, and also make sure that your supplier have a track record of timely delivery and a quality product. The final point is for you to market your store. How well you are able to market your store will determine if you will make money or zero money. You want to make sure that you use SEO strategies to rank in search engines, and also invest in paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, to drive traffic to your store. There are a lot of videos on the YouTube platform that explains in details how to start your own dropshipping business. So make sure to take advantage of those videos. Another great way to make money online is through content creation. Especially in this digital age, the goal is to inform and entertain the audience. Do you know you can make up to $1,000 and above per month as a content creator? A lot of you might have seen where content creators will say they built this house, they buy cars, and some of you will still be saying it's a lie, they are scammers, they are doing fraud.
Hey, are you seriously?
Are you serious? In this present age, in 2024, you're still having that mentality. See, content creation is like the new oil money. And if you want to be a content creator and you are still being adapting Thomas, you are playing, just they play. A lot of content creators have opened businesses, built houses, buy their cars from content creation. Okay, and if you want to start a content creation business, if you want to start your own content creation journey, there are many content many online platform you can utilize to become a content creator. We have TikTok, we have Facebook, we have YouTube, we have Instagram. I don't know if Instagram pays, but we have so many online platform you can take advantage of and start creating content. I'm not going to motivate you in this video to do content or not. If you want to do content, you do content, okay? But if you are looking for motivation, I'll be putting the link in the end screen of this video, so watch the end, and also in the description of this video, so make sure to check it out. I have a video where I talked about how YouTube changed my life in less than 500 subscribers. So if you want motivation you want inspiration, you can draw inspiration from that video. It's going to help you. But in this particular episode, if you want to do content, do content. If you don't want to do content, rest. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me to this end and time. And if you are seeing this video like right now, it means you enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, please reward me by liking this video. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, like, drop a comment, and subscribe. I always, anytime I check my analytics, a lot of you watching my video have not yet subscribed. I don't know why are you holding back that subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. Stop holding back your subscribe. Bikono, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. You cannot tell me that you watch this point and you are listening to what I'm saying and you are hearing me speak at this point in time and you do not enjoy this video. That's a big fat lie. The only reason that will make you to watch this video to this point is because you like this video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to premium content. I always draw premium content. Okay, all right, I know God will touch your heart to subscribe. With that being said, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for staying to this point. I really do appreciate, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.